In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for construction project management. We'll walk you through the steps to set up and manage your projects, ensuring they run smoothly and efficiently. To start, you'll want to choose or create a construction template within monday.com. Go ahead and click on templates, then search for terms like construction or construction management. You'll find a selection of templates available, such as the construction timeline or project planning template, which can help you get started quickly. Alternatively, if you prefer tailoring your project to fit specific needs, you can start from a blank board. Think about the common phases of a construction project like planning and design, permits and approvals, procurement, all the way to the handover phase. These stages align with creating a thorough timeline for your project. To streamline your project management process, consider integrating automation. Automations can significantly reduce manual workload by handling recurring tasks. For instance, you can set up automations that move items to a done group once they are completed or send notifications when a task is due to start. Automated alerts can also be helpful if a task is delayed or when spending reaches a certain budget threshold. This way, you stay informed about the critical aspects of your project without constantly having to check manually. Next, utilize the timeline, Gantt, or calendar views to visually monitor your project's schedule. These views provide a clearer understanding of how tasks are laid out over time. Using dependencies is crucial here, as it means when one task shifts, related tasks adjust accordingly. Additionally, the workload view can be helpful in identifying if any team members are overloaded, allowing you to balance the workload across the team efficiently. Setting up dashboards that consolidate data from multiple projects can offer holistic insights into statuses and budgets. Managing finances is essential to the success of any construction project. Use formula columns to keep track of costs against budgets or to calculate costs per day. The number or currency columns allow for detailed tracking of actual costs related to materials and labor. You might choose to integrate with accounting tools or import external financial data for a comprehensive financial overview. Managing subcontractors and inventory through separate boards can help keep your task management organized. By linking subcontractors to project tasks and managing materials through an inventory board, you ensure that orders and deliveries are tracked efficiently. Automating notification processes when materials are required can help smoothly align procurement with project needs. Effective communication is vital, especially on the field. Monday.com's updates section lets team members share photos and updates, ensuring everyone is on the same page. You can also attach important documents like blueprints directly to specific tasks and enable mobile updates so field workers can communicate changes as they happen. Automated notifications keep relevant stakeholders in the loop when tasks experience delays or status updates. Finally, create dashboards for reporting and insights. Dashboards pull data together from various project boards, allowing you to assess factors like task delays and budget overruns. Use widgets to visualize critical information such as resource loads and deadlines. These dashboards are shareable, so you can keep clients or subcontractors informed with controlled permissions. This workflow, starting from the bid stage to project handover, helps you streamline the construction process effectively, keeping projects within time and budget.